Today we're going to talk about Microsoft Magnifier. To find this accessibility option, all you need to do is left click on the Start button. When the Start menu opens up, find the Control panel, left click on it, it will open up. Look to the right hand side, you will see accessibility options, left click there, and that will open up as well. You will see on the left hand side Magnifier listed over there. Left click on it and Magnifier will begin. The first thing that shows up is a message about Magnifier, and it reads, Magnifier is intended to provide a minimum level of functionality for users with slight visual impairments. Most users with visual impairments will need a magnification utility program with higher functionality for daily use. It means that this is not meant for day-to-day use and should only be used when necessary. Click OK, this message will go away. The next thing I'd like to point out is that in the left-hand side over here, you see a small menu with magnifier settings. It opens up with the following defaults set. The magnification level has been set at 2. The tracking options have all been selected. Follow mouse cursor, follow keyboard focus, follow text editing. In presentation, only show magnifier has been selected. Invert colors and start minimize have not been selected. The other thing to point out is that there now is a magnifier window at the top of the screen. This is the area where you see what your cursor is doing, where it's moving, and the area around it. Let's go back and talk about the magnifier settings first. You can change the magnification level. Click here on the drop-down menu. You see numbers from 1 to 9. 1 is normal size text. 9 is the largest. After reviewing these, it is my opinion that levels 2, 3, 4, and 5 are the best for this option. Anything higher than 5, and the text starts to become unrecognizable. Now, you will want to leave all of the tracking options selected. The last two, follow keyboard focus and follow text editing, will become beneficial when you're working with a text document in Microsoft Word, Excel, any other Office product. Under presentation, you can select invert colors, and you will notice in the magnifier window at the top of the screen that the colors are inverted. That is a good option for those people who may need that. Alright, all you need to do is minimize this. This goes away. You now have a better idea of what's happening. You can change the size of the magnifier window. Take your mouse up to the gray bar separating the magnifier and your normal window. Left click. You will see it says click and drag the window to make it float. Let go, and you have now increased the size of your magnifier window. It does take some practice to use this option, but in the long run, it is a very good option for people who need this kind of help.